Morning.
Welcome.
Here now. So we just arrived at the airport at 7 o'clock, we've got plenty of time. Flights are flights are 8:30. Luang Prabang. It's not been an honour. You f***ed sir. But we will be back. Touchdown in Vietnam.
There you go. Yeah! Are you ready? This place is nuts.
Well.
We finally arrived in our hotel.
We're here at last. We always seem to have a mirror journey somehow, doesn't it? Something always goes wrong. So the last 10 minutes of the plane, right? The plane journey was sound, it didn't take long at all. It pretty much felt like as soon as we went up, we were coming back down. So the last 10 minutes, it started shaking, didn't it? Like mad.
And not just a shake, as if like half the plane fell off.
Got to the airport, she was traumatised. She went to the toilet and she was puking for about 20 minutes. We had a crazy ass taxi ride home. Literally, the guy was just blasting some like Vietnamese trance, so we were just raving all the way home.
Then we got here, down this mad street.
And we didn't have any cash. I knew it would accept MasterCard. Eventually I got to a bank and they gave me a place to go, got back in the car. Fucking went there, got the money, and now here we are.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record.
Morning, this is our street. Our hotel's up there.
Hiya.
Double stripe today. We're staying just outside the old court, aren't we?
Yeah, it's about a 15-minute walk, but it's actually really nice here, isn't it?
It is. The hotel's really good as well where we're staying, to be fair. It's only like £10 a night. And
It's lush.
it's one of the nicest ones we've stayed in, I
I feel
think.
like we're in a studio in New York.
This morning we're going to grab some breakfast and then we're going to head over to the old quarter. Shit! Over to the old quarter and we're going to go to some photography spots and a few little bits we want to see. So we'll take you with us.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I woke in a bar today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talking Colin with a quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost.
So we just got a sim now, Vietnamese sim. It's cost about £4 just under, I think.
Yeah, for 30 days of mobile data, so that's cool. Every different country we're going in, we just get a new SIM, put it into the phone and Bob's your uncle.
We're just on the way to Luang Prabang Lake, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And we just spotted this gem, so we thought we'd have a quick look. Celebrity, Kez on the photo. Go on, lad. The fishy celebrity.
Oh, worth it, baby, worth it. It's only because I'm the other end of the spectrum. Cochin?
Mission complete. Just got a cool shot. Put it on screen for you. Right about now. So Kez just gone for a pee. That girl basically lives on the toilet, I swear to God. Every 5 minutes, walking down the street, she's like, I need a wee. another way. So we just stopped off for a quick coffee right outside the church. We didn't get far. We've gone for the coconut one. We've gone for the non-dairy version. Oh my god, the hats. Been looking for these.
Should we get one?
Ah. Pink. Very nice. Too expensive. It's a bit too much. You got to barter. Just made a purchase. 150,000 dong. So what's that, guys? What's that?
It's £5.
£5?
Bargain. It's like £4 something.
For 2 hats. So I don't know if there's a bargain, but we got it down from 220 to 150. So you've got to barter a lot in any Southeast Asian country. So whatever price they say, drop it by half, and then maybe like meet them a bit higher than that again. Running that, brother. So we're at the lake. This is the cool little monument that we came to see. Right there. Beautiful. It's huge, this is. Goes right the way down. I think we just decided that our hats are too small, especially Kezzy's. She's got like a baby hat. It's meant to cover your head.
She gave it
your eyes from the sun, but it's not really doing any injustice.
I look like a whip. Change your plan.
Cycles all the way around, like
an hour.
You wanted 220 for an hour, which is about £7, something like that. In the end, we got it for 150, which works out about £5. He's cycling us around for an hour, to be fair to him. 2 fat lumps of lard in front. It doesn't look easy, so he's like a bit of an adrenaline rush because you're risking your life a bit on me.
That's exactly why we've done it.
And it's a good way to see all quarter. So we thought, well, we're here. Might as well get it done.
Get in the spirit.
Come along for the ride.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
We're almost back at the hotel and it's gone absolutely crazy. We're not crossing this way. Knackered. It's so intense, there's so much going on, you're just like...
I can't even put into a sentence Vietnam at the minute.
No. It's cool though.
It's nuts.
Thumbs up, we like it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Come on. Okay, so we just arrived at the Lot Hotel and this thing is absolutely massive.
Huge! Oh my god. 65 floors.
Here we go. So we made it down.
Just about.
Just about. Your ears pop on the way down, it's ridiculously high.
That was insane.
Yeah, we loved every minute of that.
If you're ever in Vietnam, please come here.
Make sure you do.
Can't even describe it.
No, you have to see it for yourself. It doesn't even look the same on camera. You've got to see it with your own eyes.
I feel like this whole time.
So this is our last night in Hanoi. It's been an absolute pleasure. We've loved every minute of it. We've only been here for
2 days.
2 days, 2 nights so far. Tomorrow morning, We venture on to
Hanoi.
let's go.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.